This is why you need to thank the ocean for every breath you take. Not just the trees, tiny ocean plants are the true air powerhouses. Phytoplankton are teeny tiny plants that float near the top of the ocean, soaking up sunlight. Just like trees and grass, they use the sun's energy to turn carbon dioxide and water into oxygen. That's photosynthesis. Amazingly, these microscopic wonders create about half of all the oxygen in the air we breathe. That means every other breath you take comes from the ocean. And it's not just phytoplankton. Seaweed and algae help out too. Next time you're by the sea, remember you're surrounded by millions of tiny plants working hard to keep our planet breathing. Nature is pretty awesome, isn't it?